Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best car lift for home garages. You're new here. I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 car lift for home garages, something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Power-built 2-ton triple lift floor jack. No matter what vehicle you need to lift for maintenance or removing/replacing transmissions or differentials, the power-built triple lift jack has got it covered. It's everything you need in one automotive lift, as it can lift motorcycles, cars, trucks, and ATVs thanks to its removable lift saddle and padded lift rails. The wheels on this unit allow it to, as one customer commented, roll along the floor effortlessly. Another user, who got this lift for his motorcycle, wrote, "I have used a few other bike lifts, but this one is the best one, for the price." They went on to write that this lift is surprisingly heavy-duty, strong, and well-built. Some reviewers mentioned that they had trouble getting it to lower gradually, but one helpful customer suggested wearing grippy gloves and that it's better to use less force to break it free from the closed position when twisting to lower it. Number 2. A+ Lift HW10 kbp 2-post floor plate car lift. 2-post lifts should be safe and durable to protect both you and your vehicle, and that is exactly what the A+ Lift 2-post lift offers. It is constructed with strong Q355 steel and finished with a powder coat, which makes this power unit, as one happy customer described, very sturdy. Built for safely lifting heavier vehicles, this power unit has a lifting weight capacity of up to 10,000 pounds, as well as automatic locking restraints for the arms, and a double-point safety lock release. It also has a built-in power pump to prevent overloading. With these full-rise 2-post lifts, you can get a maximum lift of up to 6 feet and 9 inches, making it easy to service vehicles, according to another reviewer. Another customer wrote that the product is an absolute bargain, and my experience has been so good I'm considering getting a second for my other bay. Number 3. Amazon Basic Steel Jack Auto Stands. For easy-to-use and portable car lift stands, the Amazon Basics Jack stands came in highly rated with thousands of positive reviews. At only 10.1 pounds, these lifts are light and easy to take wherever you need them, plus, they take up minimal floor space in the garage. The jacks have a lifting height of 18 inches, allowing users the perfect amount of space to work on the underside of their vehicles. Durable steel frame with rust-proof coating, easy-to-read weight capacity. Backed by an Amazon Basics limited 1-year warranty. This tool includes a set of lifts, and both of these stands together have a 4,000-pound capacity. And with the product's self-locking ratchet, you can adjust your car to the perfect height with efficiency. It is imperative to take the utmost care, as well as reading the instruction manual, and adhering to the safety instructions therein, when using these, and any, vehicle stands. Number 4. A+ Lift MT1500X Motorcycle ATV Lift Table. For servicing smaller motor vehicles such as motorcycles, ATVs, and lawnmowers, the A+ Lift table is perfect for the job. It lifts small vehicles with ease, has a lifting capacity of up to 1,500 pounds, and is very sturdy thanks to the steel powder and E-coating finish. 8.8 construction-grade hardware. Stable scissor frame with precise pivot shafts and thicker gauge steel. It also has several safety locking positions. One rather impressed customer wrote that the lift was well constructed and extremely sturdy, adding, "I have used the lift for snowmobiles, lawn tractors, and ATVs so far." Another customer raved that the product was absolutely everything that's described by the seller. "It looks phenomenal and works flawlessly. Lifts my 2017 Road King Special with ease." A few reviewers noted that the coated metal was slippery, but many found that the problem was solved after using the anti-slip traction tape that comes with the product. Number 5. 66 inches low-profile sports car lift. Vehicle lift ramps, like these discount ramps, are a good home garage car lift option because they take up minimal floor space, in comparison to a 2-post, or 4-post car lift, for instance. These low-profile car lifts are the perfect space-saving option, and, as one customer stated, the ramps stack nice in between 2x4 studs in the wall of my garage. Not only are these ramps easy to store, but with a combined weight of 47.9 pounds, they are lightweight and portable. Thanks to their 11.5-degree loading angle, these ramps are great for any low-profile car or truck. According to one reviewer, the low-profile design is so gradual that it makes driving onto them effortless. Some customers noted that the rubber pads on the bottom of the ramps came off easily, but a few other users were able to use JB Weld and contact cement to quickly reapply the pads. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.